Season's greetings. Welcome back to Diane's channel, Kwaba. Unfortunately, I was not able to get any footage for you at the National Museum of Ghana. They actually request that you put in writing if you want to do any form of video and upload on a YouTube. However, I am here at the Center for National Culture Art Gallery in Accra, contemporary art. And I am going to have a Comfort, who, interesting name, right? It's a lovely lady who is going to give me a little tour, and we're going to look at the paintings and other artwork that they have on display here. So let me introduce you to Comfort. Hi, Comfort. Welcome to Diane's channel.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
You're always welcome.
Excellent. So tell me something, first of all. How long have you been working here?
Okay, I've been here for 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah. Okay. When I was here is a art gallery is a very nice place. We promote some of our culture. We promote culture, and we also have artworks around. So some of the students come around for us to talk to them about the culture, how you should talk, you should sit, you should address your elders and a whole lot. And we have some of the artworks also here. We teach them some of the artworks. We have realistic work, abstract work, fabrics works. And so we teach them about all these types of work. And we have culture work too around. Some of the culture works too are here. And we have the unwanted parts. And so when we do what we call we teach them about all those things. So in case we promote the sculpture work and the artwork also, so that it can move forward for us. And we have a big gallery. That's the gallery I've been here for. That's 1981.
1981, this art gallery has
Yes,
been
art
here
gallery,
at
yes.
this location.
Yes, this location.
Tell me something, Comfort.
Yes.
All your artwork here, sculpture pieces, and we'll have a look at them as you take me along. Are they
Yes.
all by Ghanaian artists?
Yes, this works are for the Ghanaian artists, the renowned artists. And so when they bring their works here, they resell it for them, we promote it for them. Yes, so some of the people come from outside, some come from Ghana to have a look, some come for impulse buying and just have around and look at the works. Some too, we just walk in to have a look and go back, some to buy it. Yes.
Excellent. Well, you are now going to let us see some art.
Okay.
Guide us through.
Okay, sure. These are some of the artwork. There's a young lady. She's called Christy Black. That's her name. Okay. So there's a wanted paint. The paint that we would throw it away. That's what you have used to do this artwork.
I like this.
Yes, the hard ones. The unused, the used one. The one that they have used already, the hard one that they have used to. And with the different colors, we have black, white, different colors, green, and the whole lot that they have mixed together. That's the name of the artist. It's just this year, that's 2022.
That this was done.
Yeah, that's this
Comfort,
year.
give me a cost. How much
So
will this painting cost?
This is an abstract work.
Yes?
This type of work is an abstract work. When we say abstract works are works that you cannot see it real. Yes, so this is an abstract.
It's whatever you deem it to be.
Yes.
It's literally the eyes of the owner.
Yes.
What's the cost?
Okay, so this 5,000. This 5,000.
Ghana CDs.
Yes, 5,000.
5,000 Ghana CDs. That would be roughly how much in US dollars? Please, let's do a quick division. That will be 5,000 Ghana CDs. That will be less than 70 US dollars. Guys, it will be less than 70 US dollars. It's 5,000 Ghana CDs, you said. No, that was wrong. Yes, one moment, we're checking to see the price. My maths is kind of off, guys. But 5,000 Ghana CDs, as we get the price sorted. Can we look at this one, please, Comfort?
Okay, sure. Okay, we have another one. That one too is what you call. We have a paint here. That one is from a young artist. Yes, it's from a young artist. That's the what you call the title of the work is wrong judgments. Wrong judge. That means don't judge someone by its looks or by the appearance. Some people they have bad appearance, but when you get close to them, they are very nice person, they are very good. So don't judge someone by just the appearance of the person. Yes, that's the title of the work. And this abstract work. Yes, the abstract. The reason why it's called an abstract work is that you can't see the person's face clearly, but you can see some image over there, but their faces are not clearly like that. Yes, that's the abstract work. And this one too is was a used. This one is a used what do you call paintings that they have mixed together. Yeah, these are used paints that they have used together. This one is a young artist. That's
like this
Crystal
too.
Black. It's very nice.
Lord.
They use the hard
Beauty.
ones that we need to throw it away. That's what you have mixed together to form a nice work. All these are the hard ones that we would not like it, we'll just throw it away. That's what you have used to create this nice thing.
Purity.
Purity, yeah, that's right.
Yes. And we're sauntering over here. Comfort, please. Yes.
Yeah, we have this one here. This one is something real. This we can see the paint, we can see the colors. The person is excited. She's happy, so we can see everything. We can see the teeth. So this is a realistic type of painting. Realistic paintings are paintings that you can see everything clear. You can see the person's nose, the person's eyes, the person's head. Everything here is clear. So that's a realistic paint. And we have the sizes, all the artworks have the sizes over there. And so we have this one is acrylic on canvas. This is a canvas, and then it's acrylic work. And the size is 49 times 37. Yeah, that's the size of the work. And the young artist, the name of the one for the artist is Esther. She's the one who painted this here.
Lovely.
So this is what do you call? These are $300. Yes, it's $300.
US.
US dollars. US dollars.
Guys, we can just quickly do a conversion times 14 to 1. We can say, and you'll get the Ghana CDs for that.
Yes.
Here.
And this too is a type of art. This is the abstract work. The reason why abstract, we can see a person's body over here, but we can't see the head. We can see some trees over there. So this is talking about different types of human being. We are all different. We are not the same. So everyone has a different what do you call mind or image about him or her. Yes. So this is talking about an abstract work. And this too is
I like this comfort.
a paint work. That's different types of paintings. Yes, and used paints, the hard one. All these are the hard paints. The hard paintings, yes. It's different colors that they are placed together to just form a nice paint work. This, what do you call? The name of the artist is Christy Black. It's just this year. This one too is what? It's acrylic on canvas.
Yes.
So it's acrylic work. Yeah.
And the title is Shield. I like this. Nice.
Yeah, this one is nice. This one is a new cross symbols. That's a new cross. New cross symbols. This too is a type of painting. That one is a different types of paint. That's red. We have red, we have green, we have white. And this one is a used paint. That's the used one, the hard ones. All the fonts here is a hard paints that they have mixed together.
And it's Sunset.
Sunset. That's the title of it. And then the size is 41 inches times 37. 34, yeah. And the artist's name is, that's Esther.
We have Sunset again here. This one here. Yeah.
Yeah, that one too is acrylic on canvas, and you have the sizes. That's 41 times 36. That's the inches. Yeah. This one too is for Esther, the young artist. Yeah. This one too is a young artist. And that one too is a young artist, that's Isaac Ofori. She's the one who drew it. So what she used to draw is, what do you call, a charcoal.
Nice.
So it's shooting for a fish.
And who is this, pray tell? Who is this?
This for, what's his name?
Is it
Well, that's
Robert
Wilson, yeah.
Nestor
This
Marley?
one is Wilson. Yeah, this one is, yeah.
A Jamaican like myself. Yes, hello.
That's an artist. He's a musician.
You know who this is? Or Bob Marley is well represented in the art gallery in Ghana, Accra. Simply the best. Can you tell me how much this will cost, please? Comfort.
So this one is abstract work because we can see Bob Marley, we can see Bob Marley's face, we can see the head and everything. So there's an abstract work. That's 3,000 US dollars. Yes.
Okay,
3,000.
people.
It's for a young artist. That's Wilson. Yeah, that's Wilson. That's a young artist. It's acrylic on canvas, so it's acrylic works. This is an acrylic work. That's the size of it and the title. That's Last.
And it's going for 3,000 US dollars. Just multiply that by 14 and you have an idea of what that will cost in Ghana CDs. Give it up for our own Jamaican renowned, the one and only Robert Nestor Marley.
Okay, that one too is a paint. That one too is a paint work. That's acrylic on canvas, and then we have the sizes and the title, the arts. What do you call the art name is Ifia. She's a very young artist, so it's a different types of paintings that they have mixed together. So this one is an abstract work. This one is an abstract work. Yeah.
Let's go along.
Okay. That's Wilson work. That's Wilson work. This one too is realistic work. Yeah, that one too is realistic work. And then we have the sizes over there. And then we have the title. And that one, the price of the work too is...
It's the time. The title is The Time Comfort. That's the title of this one, The Time.
Yeah.
Interesting. And the price?
And the price is, that's 7,000.
US?
US dollars, yes, that's
Okay,
7,000.
guys. And remember, when you hear we quoting in US, just times it by 14 to get the Ghana CDs. We estimating. This title here we have is
That one too is acrylic on canvas. The size is 20 inches times 28. Then the
Ethereal.
artist is Rachel.
Yes. Ooh.
And then we have this nice work.
Yes.
That one too is my feeling. That one is fire on wood. It's a firework. Fire on wood. So this is the wood. This one
Lovely.
is not what do you call canvas. This wood.
Wood.
The first one, the other ones are canvas work.
Yes.
But this one is a wood work. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's my feelings here. She is feeling herself or she's feeling for something.
Beautiful.
That's the side.
Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go right here. She feeling for something, right? Comfort, she feeling something. Okay.
Then we
Yes.
have what you call weights of life.
Yes.
That one is a weight of life. A young guy carrying a hard, that's a big wood. Yes, that's life, how life is. Sometimes it's not easy. You need to struggle before you get something to eat. So she's in a hard time. Yes, so that's the meaning of the title. And it was mixed media. And this one is a paint work. It's a paint work. This one is a canvas.
I like this.
It's a acrylic on canvas. It's a paint work. Yeah, this one is a paint work.
And the title is Unity. Oh, yes. Christy Black.
Christy Black. That's the young artist.
Yes.
It's just this year, 2022.
What's the cost for this? Comfort, please.
So the price is 20,000.
20,000 CDs.
Yes, CDs.
20,000 CDs, guys. So divide that by 14 to get the US, you guys out in the global space. We're going across here.
And this one too is acrylic on canvas. This is a canvas work.
Yes.
That's Rachel. The name of the artist is called Rachel. Then we have the sizes through there, and it's a realistic work. It's a two phrases. That's the meaning of the title. It's two different phrases.
Yes.
One face is happy, and one face is somehow down a little bit. And so this is talking about how human we are. Yes, we can be two faces.
Yes.
Sometimes we be happy, sometimes we might be sad.
Yes.
And this one too is that's justice work. Yes. Junior justice. That one too is fire on wood.
Yes.
It's a wood.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is not a canvas, it's wood. We have
Yes.
different types. This type of work is a canvas work, and this type of work is a wood work.
Yes. Oh, Comfort. This is absolutely beautiful. Guys,
The title of the song is Konso Konso. Konso Konso in tree. Yeah.
guys, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're not done yet, but this is the end of part 1. Merasi. Thank you. God bless.